ABCD is a parallelogram such that the coordinates of its three vertices are given to you, which are A, B, and C respectively. Then the coordinates of the vertex D is what? Now understand that if I have to form a parallelogram, it is typically written in the cyclic order, either in the clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction. So I'm taking A, B, C, D as these points that you are talking about. So the coordinates of A is given to you as 1, 1. Coordinates of B are given to you as 3, 4. Coordinates of C are given to you as -2, 8, and coordinate of D is what they are asking you. I'm taking these coordinates as X and Y. Now understand this thing, that the property of a parallelogram is that the diagonals bisect each other always. So if you draw this diagonal AC and if you draw the diagonal DB, you will realize this point will turn out to be the center point or the middle point of DB as well as the middle point of AC. So what is the coordinate of this particular point? We can very easily find out with the help of A and C coordinates, right? What will be the middle point coordinate or the center point coordinate? 1 plus of -2 divided by 2, that will give me the X coordinate, and that is going to be -1 by 2. And what is going to be the Y coordinate? Y coordinate is going to be 1 plus 8 by 2, which is going to be 9 by 2. This is your X coordinate. This is your Y coordinate. Now, the center point of this should also have the same coordinate. What will the center point of DB be? It will be 3x, 3 plus x by 2. That value should be equals to -1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled out. X will turn out to be equals to -4. So X coordinate of this particular point D should be -4. And what about the Y coordinate? Y coordinate can also be similarly figured out. 4 plus Y divided by 2 is going to give you what? 9 by 2. 2 will get cancelled out. Y will turn out to be equals to 5. So what are the coordinates of the point D? -4, 5. Option A will be the correct answer.